director and editor of this film. What I'm going to introduce next is the creative process of the ChatGPT script. Environmental protection is our theme. Let AI generate the script for us. This is our initial plan. However, after filming, we discovered issues such as unstable AI drawing, an illogical plot, and mismatched scenes. Therefore, we decided to modify the script. First, we input the script into ChatGPT and let it help us modify the second scene. Let ChatGPT assist in modifying the introduction of the character Xiaoming. Make Xiaoming's character more vivid and incorporate more elements to make the plot more plausible. During the modification process, the script may deviate, so we need to correct it. Finally, present the fully modified script once again to complete the project. Moving on to the editing part. I will arrange the scenes generated by AI according to the script. Divide scenes with transitions for the convenient insertion of transition effects. Align AI-generated voiceovers and subtitles with the scenes. Adjust the pacing of scenes that are too fast or too slow. Trim unnecessary or meaningless footage. To create a distinct contrast between the lush Sandhart Park and the dilapidated Tiger Tail Sugar Factory, adjustments are made to color saturation, lighting, and overall color. The earlier scenes appear vibrant and beautiful, while the deteriorated scenes are more subdued. Natural sound effects are added to enhance the scenes, such as singing birds, wind, and footsteps. Background music is carefully integrated, and the final section is treated with a gradual fade-out effect. What I'm going to introduce is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is the AI drawing software we use to create AI animations. Next, I'll briefly introduce the main features and interface we primarily use. Firstly, the function I use most often is the image-to-image drawing feature. This involves putting our captured images into the software. Then, you can create similar drawings based on those images. Of course, iteraki desu man para mate adjustments. For instance, tagging. I usually use this tagger to reverse engineer tags. It assists us in drawing. Then, there are these parameters here. This is where we continuously adjust parameters to achieve a more fitting style for our ideal images. Mainly, it involves the sampling step and redraw magnitude. These two are the more critical parts. This is the sampling frequency of the images, and this is the magnitude of redrawing the original image. For example, the smaller this value is, the more freely the AI can express itself, whereas a larger value makes it more realistic. So, these two need to complement each other well. We need to try many times to finally find a better proportion. That's how we can create images like this. And ControlNet is a crucial plugin we use for drawing. This OpenPose helps extract the skeleton of a person. Then, both of these are for drawing outlines, Kani, Scribble. This makes it easier for AI to judge the style of drawing, allowing AI to more easily draw the original image's artwork. Then, Absinthe is the software we used for synthesizing videos this time. First, following its step-by-step process. It breaks the video into individual frames. Then, following its steps, we create animations from those frames. And then, we use Absinthe to merge them into a video. These are the main functions we generally use with Stable Diffusion this time around. Next, let me introduce Sobit's SVC. First, we initiate the web user interface, web UI, and wait for it to start. Here, we'll skip ahead for now. Once inside the web UI, you can see that this is the inference section, where we deploy our train models for inference purposes. You can upload audio files or use the text-to-speech feature to have the trained model speak based on either an audio file or input text. There are various parameters here to adjust the AI voice's speaking style, but we won't go into detail on each one. After loading, the resulting audio is generated by the AI. Now, let's explore the training page. During data pre-processing, it's important to check for any error messages. Similarly, during training, there are numerous parameters that can be adjusted for the training steps. Here, there are built-in tools, and one commonly used is intelligent audio slicing. Model compression, model deployment, and packaging are also available tools.